Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we know, of course, that Windows 10 will get its 22H2 update this month, and it's not available yet, but it might be available very soon for regular users because it seems like some have spotted the links on some of the Microsoft servers. So that means that they are there waiting to be officially released. So don't go out and check it out now. You're not going to see them. But they have been placed online to be released soon. When that happened on Windows 11 was released, 22H2 was released just 3 or 4 days after that. So could it be this week? It's possible. It's not impossible that it could be next week, but usually when they start putting the images and the links there, it shows that it's imminent. We're going to have this release soon. So version 22H2 is coming to Windows 10, like we said. Not much to talk about. It's really just a very small update. Shouldn't take very long for most people to install. The way it should appear would be probably the way they usually do it. Even though it doesn't do much, they're still going to take their time to release it. So some of you will see it when eventually it's there, through Windows Update. Some of you will probably not see it. And of course, the images, once the official release is done, the images will be updated on the Windows 10 Media Creation Tool download. So if you do want to keep an older image, you could download the image of 21H2. That is what we have right now. Keep it in case something would go wrong with 22H2. It's such a small enablement package that I doubt it will create any problems, but it's coming soon to a computer near you. Once again, I get a lot of people saying, well, I don't see 22H2 in Windows 10. It's not released yet. You're not going to see it. I have it here because I in the release preview and the insiders to get it, but it's not officially released. So we're probably days away from this. And of course, a few of you will see it. Some will not see it yet. Like Windows 11, some don't see it yet. It's normal. There's nothing wrong with your computer. It's just wait. They're going slow at first. Then they actually go faster and faster. More and more people see it. And if there's no update block, which I doubt there are going to be much update blocks on this one because of it just doesn't do much. But still, that's how it's going to roll out. And at some point, it's going to be the mainstream version of Windows everybody gets. And we'll, of course, update your support for 18 months starting now. So that means that this version 22H2, once you go on it, is going to be supported until mid-2024, 18 months after now. So coming in the next few days, I think we're really, really close. And, of course, as soon as the official release is done, we'll talk about it and on this channel, of course. And if anything to show of interest, I will be showing it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.